Winter transforms everything into a frozen wonderland. And today, we're on a journey to find something truly special. Mer Bleue Bog. With snow-covered trails and icy winds guiding our way, we can't wait to see this hidden gem and its winter glory.